children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see Model Question Paper 2021-22. Here the question paper itself indicates that there are both subjective and objective type questions and there are 38 questions. So now let's see first two mains in this video. Now when you see first main, it is an MCQ question where you have 8 questions which need to be answered. So now let's see one by one. So the first question is, if a pair of linear equation a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0 in two variables have unique solution, then their correct relationship among the following is. So now here these are the two linear equations. So now when you see, whenever we want to compare the two equations, you have three different conditions. One is they will have unique solution. The other one is they will have no solution. And then the last one is they have many solution. So now in unique solution, you have the condition where first option is correct. A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. Okay, now moving on to the next one. The common difference of arithmetic progression 100, 93, 86. You have to find what's the common difference. So if you want to find the common difference, here I will take this as T1, T2 and T3. So these are the three terms. If you want to find out the common difference, only two terms are sufficient. Usually the common difference is represented with D. D is equal to T2 minus T1. Always it is the second term minus the first term. So what is the second term here? Second term is 93. So that is equal to 93 minus 100. So 93 minus 100, what will you get? Yes, you will get 7. Is it only 7 or minus 7? Here it is. 100 is greater. So here you get minus 7. So the correct answer is option D. Then moving on to the next question. Third question. If the value of discriminant of a quadratic equation is 0, then the nature of the roots are. So whenever you have the determinant as equal to 0, if the determinant is equal to 0, you have real and equal values, right? You have learnt it, real and equal values. Next, the value of cosec 45 is. So the value of cosec 45 is root 2. Next, the distance of a point P of x, y from the origin is. Origin means nothing but 0 and 0. Okay, you have the formula, distance formula, x2 minus x1 plus y2 minus y1, all are under root. So now the value will be C, option C. Then next, moving on to the next question. The empirical relationship between mean, median and mode is. So here you have 4 combinations with median, mode and mean. So the right answer is D. It is 3 times median is equal to mode plus twice of mean. Next, which of the following pair of triangles are always similar? So here when we say always similar, we can say two equilateral triangles are always similar because they are equiangular as well as equilateral. Next, moving on to a cone is cut by a plane parallel to its base and the small cone that is removed, then the remaining part of the cone is. See, suppose if you are having a cone like this, okay, you have a cone here, and if the cone is cut along its base like this, if we are going to cut, what is this remaining portion called? That is the question. So the remaining portion is called the frustum. It is called as the frustum. You can see buckets at home. Nowadays the buckets are cylindrical. There are few buckets which are like this. Even the dustbins also you can see they are of this shape, frustum shape. So this covers the first main of MCQ.